friends, we present to you in the global version of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, a smartphone that combines style, performance and innovation. It is a smartphone in which I highlighted the following. Screen, 6.43-inch AMOLED screen provides good visibility and vibrant colors. Performance, equipped with a MediaTek Helio G96 Society. It delivers decent performance for everyday tasks. Camera, triple camera setup with a 108-megapixel main sensor, which provides good image quality. The front camera is 16 megapixel. Battery, a 5000 milliamp hours, non-detachable battery with a fast charging capacity of up to 33 watt. The nice thing is that you will get a charger of this speed in the non-detachable phone box that guarantees you a full day of use. With adaptive fast charging. Design, slim and lightweight, making it convenient to carry and use. The back has become more flat and the side curves that were in the front have been abandoned. A flat screen occupies the entire interface with a camera hole in the middle. On the right, there is zero power built into a fingerprint sensor with volume up and down buttons. On the left is an entrance for the SIM card and a memory card. At the bottom is a speaker and a Type-C charging port at the top. 3.5mm headphone jack and IR sensor. The phone supports resistance to splashes, water and dust with the IP53 standard. It has a light weight that does not exceed 183.5 grams and a thickness of 7.85 millimeters. It is considered thin and gives the user a more comfortable experience in holding the phone. Xiaomi offers a 6.67-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 395 pixels per inch. To update at 120 Hz with yesterday's sensitivity of 240 Hz, the screen is good for watching videos and playing games with high levels of color and saturated with rich details, with a high brightness of up to 1200 lumens as a maximum. The user will be lucky to use the phone with the latest Android 13 system with a direct interface after taking the phone out of the box without waiting for antenna updates. In hardware, Xiaomi presented a 685 GHz Dragon processor with a manufacturing standard of 6 and an Adreno 610 graphics processor. The phone will provide high performance under average use, so that it outperforms the Redmi Note 12 5G and will offer 3 options of RAM, including a 4, 6, or 8 GB option. With a 128 GB UFS storage capacity, the memory can be expanded up to 1 TB via the card in the back. The main camera, the Sony GN1, has a resolution of 50 megapixels, higher than the 5th generation version, with an aperture of 1.8, and an 8-megapixel lens with an aperture of 2.2, taking very wide pictures. As for the third lens with a 2-megapixel resolution, with an aperture of 2.4, to take macro photos, the camera can record videos with a resolution of 13 megapixels, with an aperture of 2.45. Networking version, the 4th generation of Redmi Note 12, available in green, black, and sky blue, at a price starting from 128.94. Overall, it's a good value for its price, offering a balanced mix of features and performance. He called in another video. Subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates.